Okay, this is Jared again, and we are finishing up this project with the built-in shelves. So I got my lovely wife Christy here. She's the still coughing. She's the detail expert. She's gonna caulk, and she'll probably paint too. In fact, she will 99% paint.
I will paint.
She likes to do that. Well, I mean, as opposed to me.
Oh, okay.
So she's just gonna show you and tell you a little bit what she does with the caulk. That really helps hide any gaps, any little mistakes. So she's done these already. You can just see there's little gaps between the pieces. You know, I don't have a table saw, so I'm doing the best I can with my circular saw, but the cuts aren't perfect. And even if there were, there could still be gaps. So go ahead and take it away, Christy. Tell them what to do with the caulk.
Well, caulk fixes any cracks, so I love caulk. That sounds terrible, but I mean this kind of.
I can vouch for that. No, that's terrible. It's a family show.
Anyway, so
oh my
this
goodness.
Let's just start over.
Can you show that side?
What, oh, this side?
The right side?
Yeah,
so I can't.
Turn around.
Sorry. This is the website lady I've been telling you all about. She sells Scentsy. So she's this is the one to visit her website. Okay, so there you go.
Well, I didn't do it perfect, but that's okay. And then you just do bead right there, and then you can have to push the button to stop the clock on the gun, and then just.
So you just take your finger there.
Yeah, and like always, it has a little bit of a mess, and it's not gonna be perfect. I don't like it when you guys see my imperfect mess here. But
well, we're gonna paint it.
Well, I'm gonna fix it too with my finger, and then I'm gonna fix it. I have a little rag as well, where it's wet with warm water. And that, to me, makes all the difference. So you can go over it to clean up the edges. So that's what I like to do. Because then you can it just makes it a finer line.
And fills in any little gaps or cracks. So like I know I had some gaps really noticeable on the trim that you've already done, like on the other side.
Yeah.
Right.
I did.
In addition to what you're doing now.
Right, and I like it to come out pretty clean if I can, so.
And anyway, what did you say about the washcloth? It needs to be warm water?
I prefer warm water. I mean, you can't keep it warm, and I know that. But then it also gets, after a while, it gets like all white on it. So then you need to rinse it out, because then you'll get the white on there. But that looks better already. I didn't quite finish up here in the front. So I'll see if I can. I have a little bit on the tip, so I'm just going to put that on there. And
yep. So basically the tools you need are a finger.
A rag.
The caulk gun, which is very affordable.
Yeah, they're really cheap.
Almost anywhere, I don't know.
And this is my favorite caulk.
And what's the caulk cost?
Oh, I think it was like $2.48 at Walmart. It's Alex Plus. It's my favorite one.
All-purpose acrylic latex.
Yeah.
So there's all kinds of choices.
That's what I like.
This is all-purpose, easy.
Kind of picky about what I use. Okay. So anyway.
Okay, so after this we're gonna paint, and we'll be done. So real quick, I'm just going to show you on the other side one where there was a large, I mean, we're talking about a millimeter or two, a little gap. I remember she did this while I was gone today. But there, you know, you can see there was a gap. I think I showed you in another video that I used a shim somewhere around here. So the caulk just fills in the gap, so nobody will ever know, especially once it gets painted. Between shims and caulk and paint, you can really hide a lot of little imperfections. Okay, so that's it for the video. Check out Christy's website, like I've been telling you every time.
You can see my hat. My hat has it on there.
Well, we can see the back of it. There you go. I love Scentsy.
Yeah, I love Scentsy.
So check it out and spend a minute on the website just as a favor to us. I know the dozens of people that are going to watch these videos. If you've watched all of them, I don't know what to tell you. You deserve some kind of a prize. It's kind of been a series. Anyways, like and subscribe. Go to her website. We'd really appreciate that. And that's it for this project. I keep saying that. I'll probably make one more. I'll put it in the description. I'll probably make one more video just to show you when it's done. Okay, thanks for watching. And take it easy.